You know I've been testing robot vacuums for a while now, but there's one in particular that's really caught my attention, the DREAME X30 Ultra. In fact, I consider it one of the best robot vacuum and mop combos on the market today, but let me explain why. I've had the chance to put it through its paces, and I'm really excited to share my findings with you. First, I want to give you some context. If you're interested in getting the DREAME X30, the link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. One thing I love about the X30 is its impressive cleaning power. With 8,300 power of suction, it can pick up heavy messes with ease, and that includes pet hair, which can be a real challenge for robot vacuums. I've been amazed at how well it's handled everything from dust bunnies to Cheerios, and it's really made a big difference in the cleanliness of my home. Now, let's dive in and see what makes the DREAME X30 Ultra stand out from the crowd. For starters, it comes with a range of advanced cleaning features, including auto maintenance, AI action, and 3D structured light. I've found that these features really do make a difference in the way it navigates and cleans my floors. It's able to map out my space and identify areas that need extra attention, which is really convenient. I've been impressed by how well it adapts to different floor types, whether it's hardwood, tile, or carpet, and it's always been able to find its way back to the charging station without any issues. One of the features that I think sets the X30 apart is its mop extension technology, which uses RoboSwing to glide under low furniture. This is a real game changer if you have a lot of hardwood floors or low clearance areas that other robot vacuums struggle with. The mop extension feature also includes a self-cleaning station base, which keeps the mop clean and ready to go between cleanings. I've been amazed at how well it's handled messy areas, like under my kitchen table, and it's really made a big difference in the overall cleanliness of my home. In terms of practical benefits, I think there are several things that make the DREAME X30 Ultra a great choice for buyers. First, it's incredibly easy to use. Just schedule a cleaning and let the X30 take care of the rest. The X30 also has a range of customizable settings, including a personalized cleaning mode for your carpet. This really does make a difference, as it allows the X30 to adjust its cleaning power and frequency for optimal results. I've been impressed by how well it's handled my thick living room carpet, and it's really made a big difference in the overall cleanliness of my home. Another benefit I've found is that the X30 is really good at cleaning stubborn dirt and stains. Its mop rewashing and floor remopping feature allows it to tackle tough messes with ease, and the 140-degree Fahrenheit water used by the mop is more than hot enough to sanitize and clean even the most heavily soiled areas. I've been amazed at how well it's handled everything from red wine spills to pet accidents, and it's really given me peace of mind knowing that my floors are clean and hygienic. For people with pets or allergies, the X30 is also a great choice because it captures all of the allergens and dust in your home. With 8,000 pounds of suction power, it can pick up even the smallest particles and keep your home safe and clean. I've been impressed by how well it's handled my cat Stander, and it's really made a big difference in my overall health and well-being. Lastly, the X30's self-refilling feature is also one of its best features for people who have a lot of flooring to clean. With this feature, you'll never have to refill the mop or the vacuum, it will just take care of everything for you, which really is convenient. I've been amazed at how well it's handled my large home, and it's really given me more free time to focus on the things I love. Now, of course, no review would be complete without mentioning some of the pros and cons. On the plus side, I love how easy it is to use and how effective it is at cleaning hard floors, carpets, and everywhere in between. I also appreciate the extra features like RoboSwing and the 140-degree Fahrenheit water, which really do make a difference. If I had to nitpick, I'd say that the X30 does require a bit more maintenance than some other robot vacuums, but that's understandable given all the advanced features. Also, in some areas with particularly thick or old carpet, the X30 may struggle to get a good read on the space and get stuck, but that's pretty rare, and a software update that I got recently has really helped improve that feature. I've also been impressed by the X30's design and build quality. It's clear that a lot of thought has gone into creating a product that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The sleek and modern design looks great in my home, and it's been a conversation starter when I've had guests over. The X30 is also relatively quiet, which is a big plus for people who like to run their robot vacuum during the night or in quiet hours. In addition to its impressive features and design, the X30 also has a range of smart features that make it easy to integrate into your smart home. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Home, and it has a range of customizable settings that allow you to tailor the cleaning experience to your needs. I've been impressed by how well it's integrated with my existing smart home devices, and it's been great to be able to control it with just my voice. In summary, if you're in the market for a premium robot vacuum and mop combo that can handle even the toughest cleaning tasks, I highly recommend checking out the DREAME X30 Ultra. It's really one of the best robot vacuums I've ever tested, and I think you'll love it as much as I do. With its impressive cleaning power, advanced features, and convenient design, it's a great choice for anyone looking to take their cleaning game to the next level. The link is in the description if you want to check it out on Amazon.